Good morning. Just got back from my walk. Day one. Woo. Um, yeah, just got back from my walk. Lovely, huh? Sorry. No makeup. Tough. Tough. What do you want from me? Tough. Yeah, so this is journal of day one here. I probably won't film these every day. In fact, I know I won't. Um, I really don't want to see myself without no makeup and looking all shiny and sweaty every day. But of course, there will be weekly check ins. That is for certain. And these will just be a delightful extra bonus of how lovely I look. I'll film them. I'll probably film them every once in a while just to kind of check in with myself and talk about challenges or good things too. Challenges today. Well, I didn't set an alarm. I just woke up extra early and I did not get enough sleep last night. So there you go. Challenge one right at the start. Didn't get enough sleep, so I wanted to just roll over and go back to sleep. Couldn't find my pedometer. All these little things that could have kept me from going on a walk, but they didn't. It's day one. I wanted to get out there. And I knew that if I didn't do it this morning, I wouldn't probably want to do it later because it's supposed to be 90 freaking degrees today. It's about 76, 77 right now. I'm looking out the window. But the humidity is already 89%, which is uncomfortable. So upside is I went this morning. It's cloudy, but blue skies. The sun was out, but not too hot yet. And there was a nice breeze. If the breeze wasn't there, it probably would have been more uncomfortable with that high humidity. But yeah, there was a nice breeze. It was quiet, and maybe 6 or 7 cars passed me over the course of the walk. Only one other person outside. So it was like, the neighborhood is mine. It's quiet. It's relaxing in that way. Downside, I did not warm up beforehand, and that's something I should consider more seriously next time. I thought before going into this that what I would do is start at a slow pace, extra slow pace, and have that be my warm up and just start to pick up my pace as I went along. But I didn't today. I just went out there and plowed right through. Probably because I know it's going to get really hot and I just want to be done. Get it done. But yeah, in hindsight, not great. Warm-ups are good. But I really wasn't awake, so I don't think I thought everything through. All I basically did was get up, get dressed, brush teeth, pull hair back, and get out there. Am I glad I did it? Of course. Even though I'm tired, still tired. Of course, because it was a nice walk, and it was good to get that started. I did day one. And it was good to get some movement going. Now I need a shower. I need some breakfast. I need some water. I need to get done all the things I need to get done today. But I did it. And my brain is still not awake. But Did I already talk about my pace? So the plan was really to just walk around this one neighborhood route. I've done it in the past. Usually I'll go like twice around, 3 if I'm really going woohoo. But that it's been a while. It's been a long while since I've done that. So today I was just going to go once around and see how long it took me. The plan, of course, for day 1 is 10 minutes, but it took me about 14 or 15. So again, there's another test for day 1. It took me about 15 minutes. Maybe by the end of the 28 days, the first 28 days, it will take me 10 minutes or less. Who knows if my pace will pick up by then. We'll see. But that's what it took me today. So upside, I got an extra 5 minutes of walking in. Downside, the route I wanted to take 10 minutes actually took me about 14 or 15. But that's life. That's where I'm at right now. And I think that's it. Did I cover everything? Still tired. Couldn't find my pedometer. It's going to get hot today. It was a nice walk. Glad I got it out of the way because it's going to get really hot. And I could use some fuel right now because I'm obviously just saying the same things over and over again now. And yawning. Oh, and yawning. So let's go have some breakfast. I don't know who's watching this but me. For now, this is a nice journal just to keep track of my progress. But if anyone else does check this out, it's end of day 1. I hope if you go for a walk today that it's beautiful, and have a good one. See you again next time.